Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're going to be looking at how to go about doing the research on Amazon. So in terms of finding a product, if that's your biggest challenge right now, you're based in Australia or New Zealand, and you're looking to get something started on Amazon, but you don't know what to sell, thanks for joining me. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to do the research and how to find out sometimes opportunities here on Amazon Australia. So we'll be back in a second, guys. Stay with me. Be right back. Alright guys, welcome back. It's good to have you in the studio. Today's video is all about opportunities here in Amazon Australia. Now, as you can sort of see my screen here, I'm on the American Amazon so as you can sort of see Amazon.com, right? So we're looking at back braces here. So this is a very interesting product, right? These are posture correctors, and these are products that relatively simple. Not much can go wrong with this particular product, right? It's not going to explode, doesn't have batteries, you know, there's no baby who's going to have an accident with this particular product. It's really for adults. It's something you can brand. Like, look at that for a second, guys. You can actually put your brand, your logo there as well. Okay, and it's relatively a simple product. You can't get any more simple with that. Look at that, that's actually branded as well. Now, this is on the Amazon.com website, so this is on the US website. Now, guys, one thing I noticed is there's a lot of people selling this particular product on the US website, right? A lot of people selling this particular product, right? So, what I did is I did the exact same searches and typed in back brace in Australia, and guess what I came up with, right? So this is the Australian store, and before I show you the numbers, right, look at this, right? A lot less people selling this particular product. There's a few, right? There's a lot less people selling it. And I ran the numbers on this particular product, and as you can sort of see here, the numbers are actually quite good on this particular product, right? It's a very, like I said, very simple product. On the American store, there's a lot of sellers, probably at 3 times as many sellers, right? On the Australian store, not as many. And the numbers here are actually quite decent, right? Looks like everybody seems to be making some money. Now, some people aren't making a lot of money, right? Like this person here, $466, right? But here we go, you got $4 grand and $4 grand, $2 grand, 15, $9 grand, this particular one, right? So they're quite, even this one, 24,000 US dollars, right? So there's a lot of people selling it in Australia, and it seems like because there's a lot less people here selling it on the Amazon Australian store, there's a bit of an opportunity. And this is what we cover in our training, where there's some products that are doing really well on, for example, Amazon.com, the American one, but there's opportunities here in Australia to sell it here. So it isn't all just about Amazon.com. People think, oh, Alex, there's so many people trying to sell this, you know, on America, right? There's too many people. I need to be on America. That's the only way I'm going to be making money, by putting on the American store. Not really, actually. There's actually opportunities on some products here on the Australian stores, right? This is just one example of an opportunity that does well in the Australian store, okay? So just keep an eye out for that. And one thing I like about this is, you see down here, this is the kilos, right? It's a light product. It's a relatively light product, right? It doesn't weigh a kilo. It's not something that's very heavy. It's not a bowling ball, right? It's not something that's very technical like a drone. If it breaks, you know, I don't know how to fix a drone, right? But if this snaps, guess what? I know how to fix it, right? Or it's so cheap, I can just order a simple semi-customer replacement, right? So this is why we focus on lightweight products, simple products, products that we can brand. And this is what we show you how to do in our course, all right? So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, there's opportunities here on Amazon.com.au as well. And we show you how to do both. We've got students selling on Amazon.com, which is the US, as well as the Australian, as well as the European ones. If you have a product you bring it to America, and if it starts selling well there, bring exactly the same product, your exact same branding here to Australia, and then the UK, so your brand is on all the different marketplaces. We show you how to go about doing that, because really, ideally, you want to be building a business. You want to be selling your branded products on, you know, when someone actually types in your logo, your brand, right? You want to be on the US, the UK, the Australian, right? You want to be on as many Amazon marketplaces as possible, right? You want to have a Facebook page for your brand, so people are posting happy snaps and videos and images of using your product. If you have a baby product, right, you want to have an Instagram channel where people are pasting and posting photos of their product with your hashtag, right, on your Instagram wall. How great would that be where they're building your social media for you? All right, so this is what we teach in our program. It isn't just selling a knick-knack on Amazon and making $50 a week. It's about building a viable business with a big brand attached to it, ideally your brand, on Amazon, and going for the long term. This isn't a quick way to make a quick buck or a short buck, right? It's really about building a brand on Amazon. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, comment, and subscribe. Also, check out one of our we actually got free webinars that we run daily, so check those out, and I'd love to see you on the webinar. Plus, we actually have a program where I work with you for 12 months, helping you not only find a product, but help you find a supply as well as get it listed on Amazon. I can even assist and actually list your first product on Amazon for you. All right, so hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us, if you have any questions whatsoever, you can give us a call in the office. Excuse me, 02 8003 7534 is our Australian phone number. Check out our website and the links below for our New Zealand phone number. I would love to work with you one-on-one, and I'd love to see you at some of our live events that we run around Australia and New Zealand. See you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye for now.